What's up, everyone? It's the cool guy, Mr. Blockhead here. Today, I'm gonna eat mini mamut. Yeah, the mini mamut is like a. This is like a mini moon pie. All right, mini moon pie. All right, all right. I don't know. I wish got me a bigger version of this thing, but I'm gonna eat it how it is. Alright. So what it looks like. Okay. Cheers, people. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. It has a little bit of a real chocolate taste, but I'll still dig it, man. I'll still dig it, man. I'll still dig it, man. But yeah, my Uncle Mondo brought me all these crazy snacks. He brought me a whole bag of snacks. It's for everyone, dude. So yeah. These were okay to good. I don't want to give them low rating. So yeah, I guess I'll give it a 7.5 out of 10. Yeah, I mean, I like the crunchy. I like the crunchy part of the mini mamut. So I guess I'll change it to 7.7. I gave it 0.2 extra points for being crunchy. Right, 7.2 out of 10 is my final result here. Yeah, thanks Uncle Mondo for bringing me some good snacks, man. Shout out to my Uncle Mondo. My Uncle Mondo, man. All right, that's it. That's it for the video. If you want to check out more content made by the cool guy Devin / Mr. Blockhead, remember to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.